how to use Microsoft Excel for free. For the first step, you would want to open your web browser and head on to office.com. Take note that Office is the old name of Microsoft 365, and once you are redirected to their official website, you are given the option to either sign in, get Microsoft 365 products, or sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. Since I already have an account, I will go ahead and click sign in. Now that we are in the sign in page, let's go ahead and put the email that we used when we signed up for an account. After the email, of course, we also have to put our password. Then we will be asked whether we want to stay signed in to save time for the next time that we will open this website. So let's choose yes. Now that we have successfully signed in using our account, let's go ahead and choose Excel, which can be found over here on the left side. Now that we are on the Excel page, we can choose to either create a new spreadsheet using this blank workbook or choose from the many templates available here provided by Microsoft. We can choose a project tracker, travel expense tracker, a workout log, and many more. Other than creating a blank workbook or choosing from the many templates available, we can also upload our own Excel file to the account. And let's go ahead and do that. Now in less than a minute, we can see here that the file that we have uploaded has loaded and automatically opened in a new tab. For reference, this is what the file looks like when opened using the Microsoft Excel software application on my desktop. When we explore the content of the file, we can see that there is almost no difference from it when we open it using our software, since there are same sections and features from that of the software version of Excel. This is actually an advantage because that means we can work on our files even when we use this website alone. We don't have to install the software on our computer, and we can work from another device so long as we can access and log in to our Microsoft account. So that's it for this video. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you can tune in, and I will see you on the next video.